Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2026 how to add plot style table. So if you want to add plot style tables, you can type OP to open the option dialog box. Click on plot and publish tab and then click plot style table settings button. The next, click add or edit plot style tables button. Now you can copy and paste your plot style into this folder. For example, I will copy this plot style table and then paste into this folder. So we have the example plot style table name. Click close and then OK. OK. The next you can type plot, press enter, and you can see we have this plot style table option. Click on drop down menu and the example plot style not appear. We need to refresh. You can click new and then click close. So you can click again in drop down menu to be show the plot style table. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2026 how to add plot style. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.